So Harman, how did you feel when you saw your results?
The biggest motivation for me was my parents.
Have you thought about that you will be the topper of the school?
My father was very happy when he got to know that I got 99 in English.
अब मम्मा को भी मैंने यही बोला कि मम्मा नहीं इतना अच्छा नहीं हुआ फिर भी आई गॉट 91 आई वाज सो सरप्राइज्ड 91
Success is not just about marks. It is about dedication, discipline, consistency, and the courage to keep moving forward. A very warm welcome to everyone listening today, a special episode of podcast. Today is a moment of immense pride, happiness, and celebration of class 12th board results. And we have with us our school toppers. Today, we celebrate not only academic excellence but also perseverance, late night studies, self-belief, and the spirit of never giving up. Now, it's time to introduce our shining stars. First of all, I have to tell to all of you, welcome for our special podcast for you. And I hope you all are satisfied with your results.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we can start from you, Harman, first.
Yes, ma'am.
And you just introduce yourself and tell me about your stream, your percentage.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Harman Bir Singh. I'm from Commerce stream. I have done my class 12 from Riyadh International School, and hopefully, thankfully, I have got 93% in my class 12 examination.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Krishma Walia, and I'm from Commerce stream, and I have scored 90 marks. Good morning, everyone. My name is Bawalpreet Kaur. I have done my class 12 from Riyadh Bhar International School in Commerce stream, and my percentage is 85%.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Harmony, and I have done my 12th grade in art stream, and I have scored 90%. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Amneet Kaur and I am from art stream and I got 93% from Riyadh Bhar International School. Thank you.
So Harman, how did you feel when you saw your results?
I was very happy about it. I was waiting from so many days that when it will come, and when the website started showing that it is coming soon, I firstly told my parents, and they were also waiting for it from many days. And when I saw it, I was very happy. And then I called my dad also. He was not at home at that time. So he sent me on WhatsApp that I'm very proud of you. And that is the best thing I can explain about my result.
Great. So what inspired you to achieve such excellent marks, Karishma, for you?
The biggest motivation for me was my parents, and because of them, I think I got the motivation and I was able to score these marks.
Okay. Did you always expect to become a topper, or if you see, and why you have to think about that you will be the topper? Have you thought about that you will be the topper of the school?
Yes, I always expected.
Okay. Okay.
And I just always try to give my best, and the results have always satisfied me.
Okay. And why or why not? Like, why you expect that you will become a topper?
I think that I have the potential, and I believe that even if, despite all the hardships, I try to give my best, and I think that's all that matters.
Good. Very nice. Now, Babapreet, did you always expect to become a topper, or the same question I have put to the Karishma? Did you expect?
Not really. It was not like I have to become the topper, but I've always tried. I did not wanted that particular tagline. I was like, it's okay. 85 above 85 is okay for me.
Okay.
Like, and even my parents have never forced me कि इतने आने चाहिए और वो. They are always happy. They say कि 80%, 80 above is we are satisfied. And even when the result came, they were very happy. My father was very happy when he got to know that I got 99 in English.
Okay.
And he was like, I'm very happy. इतने marks तो expect ही नहीं करे थे. So they were very happy. So if they are happy, I'm happy.
Great.
That's what matters.
Main thing, the students have to see from these things, like you have to put up your all the efforts. Whatever, you can't be wait for your result, you can't be expect your result. You just do hard work, put your all the efforts, do the preparation in a proper manner, definitely the result will automatically has to come. And then afterward, whenever you get the result, you must be satisfied also.
Yes.
Otherwise, so even we have seen 99% those they are also not satisfied. They also have some complaint like 1% is left or 2% is left, or maybe the 1 marks is left on that particular subject. So satisfaction matter a lot. And if your parents are happy, then it is very, very
Yes.
good
That's
thing
what
for you.
That's
Yeah.
what matters.
Yeah, nice. So, for question for you, Vita, that just tell me about your study habits and your strategies.
Ma'am, I honestly have never tried to follow a fixed timetable because I've always felt that uh, uh, according to the time, according to my exam dates and everything, I plan according to that. I have never studied in a fixed manner because I plan what I have to do according to my exam dates, according to my test, and whenever I feel like in this particular time period I have to put more effort, or if I'm feeling that I cannot put that effort, then I take a break and I do some other activities. I
So,
follow my
any
habits.
particular daily study routine you want to share?
Ma'am, I try, if even if I'm feeling like I cannot study that much today, then I still try that I have done something. I try to make my day productive.
Okay.
Like
so
I've
you do
never
not have any strategy, any daily routine or something like that, or just a regular routine?
I just
studies.
regular recaps,
Okay.
continuous recaps,
Okay.
like so that I don't miss out on something, or I don't forget something and then I have to cover it up all before exam,
Okay.
so that I don't pressurize myself.
Great, great, Vita. Now, for you, Vita, which subject did you enjoy the most and why?
My political science. My teacher is very supportive. My Armandeep sir. He's also a history teacher, and he supported at every time, every stage of our class. And I got 97 in my political science, and my parents were so proud of to me, and I was so happy to see my result because it was my very first time to get this much numbers in my whole.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So you have put up a lot of hard work and lot of what we have to say preparation for that, and definitely you got the good result. So which subject was the most challenging for you?
I think geography was very challenging, but still I got 91.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
But you were thinking about that much on that, or you are okay?
I was like, I will get 85 or something because
Okay.
I was thinking that इतना अच्छा नहीं
Beyond
हुआ.
expectation
अब
you
मम्मा
got.
को भी मैंने यही बोला कि मम्मा नहीं इतना अच्छा नहीं हुआ.
Mhm.
फिर भी I got 91. I was so surprised to see 91. Yes, ma'am.
So beyond expectation you got.
No,
it.
our
Very
teachers were very supportive.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you. Now, how did you manage school studies? If you have a tuition also, do you have a tuition, extra studies?
No.
This is the biggest inspiration I have got it, and I have to tell to the other students also. Those are in class 11th and 12th, that I have seen this batch. Those are without tuition, without any coaching. They have got this much percentage. So there is a myth behind that. If you are going for a coaching center or if you are going for a tuition, you will get more. It is all and all depend on you, beta. If you know about your worth, everything is possible, and you are the example for others also. And I'm very happy. I'm always emphasizing on these things. You know me also. I'm always emphasizing that the student must be regular in the school. Student must participate in all the things, whatever we have in the school, all the activities, and student explore more as compared to the other. If the students are coming less in the school and they are more and more towards their studies. But study is one thing. You have to, beyond it, you have to think about your mental status, mental stress. So उस चीज को आप overcome कैसे करोगे? With the help of these kind of participation. जब स्कूल की activities में if you are going to participate, definitely आपका वो stress और जो anxiety है वो less हो जाती. And you have created a very good example for others also. No, nobody have any tuition. No one. Okay, so it is all about your timetable. It is all about your self-worth. You must know about and your daily routines, and these will help you more. वो सब कुछ understanding of the concept is one thing, and then afterward how much you prepare for that with that understanding. This is also the main concern. So I'm very, very happy for that. But now I have to talk about the time management and discipline. That is very, very important. And how did you avoid distractions like mobile phones and social media? Anybody?
Ma'am, as for me, I did not have anything to be distracted or attracted towards because uh, I've always participated in everything, all my hobbies. I've always balanced it. So it was never like I have to be distracted to do something else from my studies because I was always keeping it all balanced. Like in school, I've been in the council. I've participated in dance competitions or activities,
I
annual
know.
functions,
And you
sports
were
day, everything. Yes, ma'am.
and you were the head girl
Yes,
also.
ma'am. I've stayed the head girl, and I was also the head girl in my previous school as well. So my parents were like really happy that you have achieved. You have You have scored first position, second position, third position. You have become a head girl. Like for me, my school journey was very satisfactory because I have achieved everything that I dreamed of. So I was really happy. And this school has given me various opportunities. And uh, for sports, I was never really confident in sports, but in my plus one and plus two, I was really involved in sports activities and competitions as well. So for me, it was everything was balanced for me.
Very nice. And this is the lesson for others also. If you balance your life in a proper manner, if you know that nothing is going to distract you, you can manage very well. Although you were in the some house council members also, you all, and you were head girl of the
Yes, ma'am.
school also. So I am very happy for these things. Ki if the students are managing and they have the discipline, they will definitely manage everything on their own also. So, what was your secret to staying constant throughout the year, especially for Harman? Because I have seen his attendance is always present in the school.
Yes, ma'am, I can say that it can be my mom as well because she does not lets me take any leave from the school. So
Okay.
first factor is that, and secondly, I have never kept some homework pending. Some students think that if their homework is not complete, so they want to take a leave. So that is also not been effective for my absence. Then I enjoyed being in the school. I can also say that I have many friends. I was comfortable with everyone. I had a big circle, so that was also my thing which pulled me towards school as well. And now I also miss those days when we would sit on the same benches and have fun. So that can be reason for my attendance.
And one thing more, I have to tell you, you are positive also towards each and everything.
Yes.
If you are positive, then definitely all the circle around you, they are also friendly with you. They are also positive with you. So you have to make your circle in this manner that everybody's are comfortable, everybody's are listening each other, and everybody's are try to do all the things with you. And the positivity is also the very big important factor,
Yes.
I think. So we appreciate you that you were every time I have seen your face in the school, like you are every time you are present in the school, and that's why those students are visible always. They are highlighted or not highlighted in that manner, in a positive manner.
Yes.
You always these, and it's a good pride for us also. These students are in 12th class and still they are coming regularly, and in every sphere they are active in all the terms. So it's good for us and good for the students also. देखो आपका मेंटल स्टेटस एग्जाइटी डिप्रेशन कैसा होता है व्हेन यू आर कीपिंग योर माइंड इन वन शेल ओनली, और जब आप एक्सप्लोर नहीं करोगे अपने आप को लोगों के सामने प्रेजेंट, क्योंकि सोसाइटी ओरिएंटेड होना पड़ता है, बिकॉज वी आर इन दिस लाइफ एंड ऑल द पीपल आर कनेक्टेड विद ईच अदर. सो हम ये नहीं कह सकते अभी हमारे एग्जाम चल रहे हैं, अभी हमें कोई छेड़ेगा नहीं, हमें ये कुछ नहीं करे. वो आपकी स्टडी इज अ वन पार्ट. वी कांट से स्टडी इज द ओनली थिंग.
Yes,
जो हम देखते हैं 12th क्लास 10th क्लास के बच्चे कई बार बड़े ही ओवरबर्डन इसी वजह से भी होता है. और समटाइम्स स्पेशली फॉर द पेरेंट्स, अब जैसे यू वर सेइंग कि योर मम्मी, आपकी मम्मी नहीं ठहरने देते थे स्कूल घर में, सो वो भी बहुत एक प्राइम फैक्टर होता है कि पेरेंट्स हैज टू सपोर्ट ऑलवेज, एंड पेरेंट्स हैज टू इनकरेज ऑलवेज टू देयर किड्स to participate and be a regular in the school.
Discipline is boring, but the results are surprising. It's worth it. So
So regularity is very, very important. It creates a discipline. If you are regular, discipline automatically has to come, and repeatedly same work will do by anyone. So the work will be improved. So that's why always saying discipline is the key to success. So this is the reason only. Okay. Who motivated and supported you the most during your this journey, Bubble?
Ma'am, my friends, she's sitting with me whenever I used to feel like कि नहीं, I can't. Yeah, she's always there in every, like, I don't like sports that much, but she always motivates me कि नहीं नहीं, you have to do it. I am there with you, and my family, my friends.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Good, great. Because फ्रेंड से अगर अच्छे फ्रेंड हो, आपका सर्कल अच्छा हो,
Yes.
फ्रेंडशिप अच्छी हो, तो कहते हैं ना अपनी क्या है, अपनी सोबत में असर होता है. सोबत क्या होती है कि जहाँ पे आप जिस सोसाइटी में आप रहते हैं, जिसके साथ आपका उठना बैठना है, संगत भी कहते हैं उसको, जिसके साथ आपका उठना बैठना है, सो वो मैटर बहुत करता है आपकी लाइफ में. बेटा, हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट वाज योर फैमिली सपोर्ट इन योर जर्नी?
They were incredibly supported me, and they were very proud when my result was out. And every step when I was feeling nervous, they said, "No, you can do it. You can do it. कुछ नहीं होता बेटा, सब करते हैं, तेरे से भी हो जाएगा." They were like that, and my father was very proud to me, and he was like, "Amneet, तूने कर लिया?" And he was very proud, like he called everyone. My daughter scored 93, and everyone was so surprised to know that. And my parents were like friend to me also. They were very supportive. Like my mom is like backbone to me. She's so sweet. She's so kind. She's
Very
with me.
nice. If you are recognizing your teachers, if you are recognizing your parents' efforts, this is the very I have to say, this is a very big thing. Because nowadays, if we people are not to be recognized them behind the your success, who is standing with you? Your teachers and your parents.
Then you also supported us a lot. Thank you so much, ma'am. And our teachers, every teacher, every subject teacher has supported us. And thank you to our Mandeep sir. He has supported us a lot in our because I was nervous bit in political science also. But yeah, he's very supportive. He have given us notes. Yeah, yes, you can do it. It's easy, Amit. You can do it. You can do it. It was incredibly, and working. I'm studying here from since 2018. It was my wonderful experience in this school. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you. We are great and overwhelmed. Such type of students we have created, and they felt us so proud. We are feeling so proud on you, beta. And you are here from last so many years, 7 to 8 years. You are from the beginning of this school journey. You are with us, and इससे ज़्यादा खुशी क्या होगी एक प्रिंसिपल को, है ना? तो मेरी कोशिश तो यही रही है कि सबको जितना भी हम दे सकते थे हम दें, और मैं टीचर्स को हमेशा मोटिवेट यही करती थी, मेंटोर भी बनाए थे, और आप लोगों के लिए यही कि एवरी टाइम इन द ग्रुप यू हैव टू कनेक्टेड विद ईच एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट्स, वेयर एवर द students need help, just help them, guide them, and always behind my teachers to do best for you. So whatever I have, whatever the resources the school have, we have to provide you. So I hope you were satisfied with that things, and a nice discussion we have with you all, and अच्छी inspiration निकल के आएगी जिनके साथ भी those are going to see your journey of this hard work, journey of this dedication, inspiration in class 12th as a result, good result you have shown. So who is your role model? Anybody have to tell me? एक question रह गया. Or success means for you. Any role model for you?
Ma'am, I think it's my mother.
Okay.
She is my role model because I've always seen her doing the best. Like, I have always tried to become like her. And some of my relatives do say that I am like her, but I think I'm not that even close to her at the moment. But I will always try to become like her. Like, she put so much effort in everything for us, for herself, for our family. I really want to become like her. I think I've made her proud enough, but I would always like to do more. She is my role model, definitely.
Very nice, very good, beta. if your parents are inspiration for you,
Yes, ma'am.
if the parents are motivating you to grow in life, इससे बड़ी चीज कोई नहीं हो
Yes,
सकती.
ma'am.
And what is a success mean for you? Anybody have to tell me?
I may achieve a lot, but success finally means for me that I can make my father proud. He is the only man in the world I have known that will be happier to see me achieve more than him. There are a lot people you will meet and they will be jealous about your success. On the face, there are many that congratulate you, but still, you can
Naturally.
understand. But he is the only one who can be
Yeah.
happy about my success, and I want to make him proud.
Very
And
nice.
that's the little happiness I get from it.
Very nice. The parents' love is the selfless love. They are only doing everything for their kids only. And if you people are recognizing your parents in that manner, that is very, very good thing. And you have some moral values also, you have some ethics also. That's why you are recognizing their efforts. And see, the result are showing. If आप किसी को रिस्पेक्ट दोगे तो आपको ही मिलेगा. यूनिवर्स में आप कहते हैं यूनिवर्स में whatever you are spreading in the universe automatically giving you back that in that manner. So if you respect your parents, definitely you will get the respect also. So very nice discussion we have. So with this, I'm just closing this discussion. So success is not only about the marks, but about consistency, discipline, and hard work, and believing in yourself. And these students have believed in their self, and they shows their efforts to this kind of result. So I appreciate, and definitely this is for the inspiration for everyone, that whatever the discussion we have done today, that will definitely give the learning lesson for all of them.